We're back again and we're looking at workshop manuals. This is my well-used and well-trusted INT workshop manual for a Fordson Major. I've used this one quite a bit. It's a nice little lightweight book, but it covers everything you'd need to know on your Fordson Major. Now I've got to, well, it's on my to-do list to do some repairs and restoration on my old power Fordson Major. So it got me looking through the manual again, thinking about what parts I might need and how to fix things. The manuals are great for bringing you up to speed with all that. But I also looked online and I was surprised to see how many other manuals and parts books there are out there. Check these out. So if we go to Google, we get all of these workshop manuals and parts books come up, including, as you'll see in the top left-hand corner, a Haynes manual. As you can see, book upon book upon book. Lots and lots of great information on how to restore your Fordson Major. And if we go to eBay, we will find repair manuals and parts books from all around the world, plus other literature, all relating to Fordson Majors. When you look closely, also some of this stuff is available in disc form, so you can review it on a computer of some description. But as you can see, there's a whole wealth of information out there, some of it quite old, but all of it very, very relevant. Quite a lot of manuals, as you can see, but there's more. Now, I particularly like this. This is a free PDF download from the SparX website. If we scroll down here, it clearly and in color shows virtually all of the parts in good detail. That is a very nice, completely free parts book, pretty much for a Fordson Major, with just about everything you'd need. "68 pages covering just about everything." So if you are thinking of doing some repairs or restoration to your old Fordson, then believe me, there is a wealth of books and manuals out there, all designed to make the job a lot easier and more efficient for you. I hope you found this useful.